Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This is the third and final video for this week's schedule where we've been using fish fillets to put together different dishes. This recipe, this video is a super short, easy, quick and simple dish for you guys to put together. We're going to be making a fish in a Trini style Chadon Beni white sauce or roux. So this roux sauce is the highlight of this particular dish and it's really simple to put together. So it's the basic components would be your flour, your butter and your milk, some salt and black pepper. I'm just going to be putting that Trini twisted where I'm going to be adding Chadon Beni or Culantro, not to be confused with cilantro. So let's jump into this video. So this is what we need to put together our Trini style fish in a white Chadon Beni sauce or roux. Let's start off by talking about the fish. This is mahi that I'm going to be using, but whatever fish you get to use, you can go right ahead. Preferably a firm fish would be better for this recipe though. If not, you just have to be a little gentle with it. I've already added some salt and black pepper to that, keeping it real simple. We need some flour, evaporated milk and some butter for our roux sauce, and I'm going to be adding some onions, pimento, garlic and the Chadon Beni, which is the key to this Chadon Beni white sauce or Chadon Beni roux. And just to garnish it, I have some sage. So to start things off, what you're going to do is add your butter to your pot or your pan. And you want to basically melt this. Once it's melted, you're going to add in the chopped up onion, the garlic and the pimento. Cook that just for about a minute or so, and then we're going to add in the flour. You want to keep stirring it when you add in your flour. You don't want it to burn, and you just want it to form that sort of paste looking mixture. Then we're going to add our evaporated milk. Stir that up until it begins to thicken up, and then we're going to carefully add in our fish. You want to be gentle with the fish. Let it cook until the fish is properly cooked through. So you want to taste it when it's just about finished. Adjust the salt if needed. And to finish off, you're just going to add in your chopped up Chadon Beni. Just give this a stir. And you have yourself, guys, your Trini style fish in a Chadon Beni white sauce or roux. So this dish is like one of those delightful creamy dishes that you can actually eat with pasta. I actually ate it with pasta. You can eat it with vegetables or rice as well, but this is delicious with pasta. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys try it out. This is another fish recipe for you guys to try out. Another way you can use fish. Just remember, if you don't have the fish fillet, that's fine. You can use fish slices, or you can use any type of fish fillet. It does not have to be the mahi that I use. The reason for me using the mahi or any fish that I use in my videos is because that's what I have in my freezer from the husband whenever he catches fish. So you don't have to use the specific fish that I use. I just let you guys know what it is that I use, and you can use anything that you have on hand. Just remember, with all 3 videos that I posted this week on fish, if you aren't using a firm fish, just be gentle. You don't want the fish pieces to fall apart when it's cooking. So you all have the fish and the mushrooms and the oyster sauce to try out. You all have the coconut curry fish to try out. And now you all have this fish in Trinidad style Chadon Beni white sauce to try out as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video lineup this week. Try out all the recipes. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you did like it, of course, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Thanks as always for watching, guys. Send me those pictures when you try the recipes. Stay tuned to more videos. I shall see you guys in my next one.